I'll guide you through how to make template Milanote. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to Milanote.com and log into your account or sign up if you're new. Once logged in, find the left sidebar and drag the board section to the right. Enter a name for your board and click it to open. Inside the board, you'll see a blank workspace. To add a heading, click the three dots on the left sidebar and select Heading. After that, start adding any cards you want. For example, drag a column card from the left sidebar into the board. Once the column is placed, drag a to-do list card into the column. To duplicate this column, right-click on it and choose the duplicate option. Repeat this step until you have 7 columns, each containing a to-do list card. Then, rename each column according to your needs, such as naming them after days of the week or specific categories. When you're done building and organizing the board, click the Share button located at the top right corner. You'll be presented with 2 options: Add editors and share a read-only link. To allow others to edit, enable Invite editors with a link. Otherwise, enable the read-only link.